Alright, we're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm and see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, I have my simplex pull station connected to my strobe and fire alarm bell. Of course, this one's made from Wheelock, but we're going to go ahead and pull it anyways. It seems that the fire alarm bell is not working. Alright, it doesn't work. Silenced it. Yeah, I guess it's really cool, I believe. Let me go ahead and do it again. Right now, let's do key activating. See, it works. So only take your simplex B key, I believe, to open up the fire alarm. Pain in the eye how the bell doesn't work. It seems that the fire alarm bell broke. But that's weird. Like, the fire alarm bell makes a bunch of noise, but as you can see, the fire alarms are connected to the batteries. It goes through here. But, so as you can see, fire alarm, pull down, simplex. What the heck? Fire alarm bell stopped working, I believe. And now I already fixed it. Let's pull it again. So you're gonna take your simplex B key and let me go ahead and put it here. And this device isn't working, I believe. Yeah, I don't know if this device works on this, but yeah, I guess it's really cool. So as you can see, the pull station which I do have is break glass pull station. So I must go ahead and pull it again. What the heck? Yeah, it stopped working. Okay, it stopped. Yep, it broke off. Dang it, but the bell actually worked. Damn it, dude. Seems broken.